Hey, this is Michael from 256 Mike on YouTube. Okay, what I got over here is a 1998 Jeep Cherokee with a 4.0. It's a sports model. It has the straight six. What's happening is, I'm going to show you. You see, it has a fan that always runs that's connected to the engine. You see it? And then it has an electric one right here. Okay, listen up. If your car is overheating and your electric fan is not turning on, this is what I want you to do. Turn on your AC. Okay, your compressor has to be on, your AC compressor. Okay. It has to start. If it doesn't run, your fan is blown. You need a new fan. Okay? So now you're saying, well, Mike, what happened if I don't have AC? Well, that's not a problem, because that's what I found out with this one. And this one, the temperature sensor, you see it? Right there. It goes right there. This is the housing where the thermostat is at. I'm even going to put a new thermostat at it. You might as well if you're going to change the sensor. You feel me? And it's easy. Look, it's only 2 screws. Okay? One here and one right here on the bottom of it. Right here. Like right there. And that's it. Okay? Let's see. I'm hoping that I don't need a gasket, but now I'm seeing that if I change the thermostat, it's going to need a gasket, and the customer did not get the gasket. Now I just noticed that, so I can't replace that. I might as well, but I can replace the sensor, and their electric fan will kick on, and that's it. So another way to test if your sensor is broken, right, is doing it like this. Unplug it. Here's the plug. You see the plug? It goes right here. Just unplug it. If you unplug it and it turns on, it's not your fan. You check your relay. You got relays and fuse in here. You feel me? You check them. If it's not there, like this one doesn't have the 2 relays that go on the front right here. This model doesn't have that. So yeah, that's how you fix it. That's how you check to make sure it's not your blower. You feel me? Move your relays. First thing you do is you check your relay, you check your fuse. That's all good. Then unplug the sensor. Right? Fan comes on, your sensor's broken. Doesn't do nothing, your motor's out. You need a new one. All right, well, this is Michael from 256 Mike. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share my video. You have any question, just leave them. Thanks for watching.